Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start in the Settings app, not in Apple Maps. Tap Settings, then scroll down and open Maps. This is where System Map Preferences live. Once in Maps, locate Distance Units. It's a single, clear option. Tap Distance Units to reveal choices. This controls labels and directions while driving. Make this change now, because Apple Maps follows the system setting rather than an in-app toggle. Doing it here ensures every route, speed display, and distance reads in miles immediately. You will see kilometers and miles. Tap Miles. Once selected, the setting applies across maps for step-by-step directions and distance badges. If you're on a route, you may need to tap back to Maps or Briefly Close and reopen it so active navigation updates. Make sure to test with a short route to confirm distances show in miles. This change is persistent across app updates because it's in Settings. That's why it's the only reliable method to switch units. You're almost done. Start a short route to verify miles appear in turn instructions and distance markers. If distances linger in kilometers, toggle the distance units to kilometers then back to miles. This forces a refresh. If that fails, restart your iPhone. A reboot clears caching issues. Finally, make sure your iOS is up to date. Rare bugs can prevent settings from applying. If problems persist, contact Apple support, because the system-level setting is the only official method to change units.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.